4, 5. Wow.
We still have time. 5:49. Orange. Mandarin. Ano talaga? We're on the way to work. Back to work after our Melbourne trip. Happy Wednesday. What's that? 7:05 Shadows, and it's our first delivery. Shadows, time check 2:09, and nakapag-out na tayo. Dito ako sa canteen mag-cha-cha. Cha tayo. Kumusta ang araw nyo, Shadows? Unang araw sa trabaho, parang pang ilang araw na. So, mag-absent tayo sa Saturday kasi yun na yung libing ni nanay. Hindi man tayo nakauwi pero alam ni nanay kung gaano natin siya kamahal. Namimiss kita, nanay ko. Shadows, nandito tayo sa Aldi for today's video. Sama natin si Mister. Nasundo na niya tayo. Yan si Marky, oh. What's that? Bebeto. Bebeto. You melt my heart. Ang corny. Oh, it's so big, Olaf.
Sorry?
But you're gonna break that. It's a glass. No.
Yeah, get that.
Nandito tayo sa Aldi Merchador. Kumuha kami ni Marky nito. Tag-isa. Hindi na natin yan makukul mamaya kasi kainin natin. Pakita ko yung grocery sa inyo later. Hot and cold. Winter. Time check 4:08 and pauwi na tayo. We're going home na, malab, no?
Where else do you want to go?
No, nothing. Let's go home. Time to check the birds, baby. Yo. Sabi ni Mahal, kuha, gusto mo nang tag-isa tayo. Diba? Ha. Nag-uwi tayo ng ganito na sa Philippines. Natikman din ng something. So, hindi siya ganun katamis. And then, every bite mo, there's nuts. So, nougat, vanilla and almond. Pas kami ulit kasi need natin bumili ng treat ng mga pusa. Naghahanap sila kahapon eh. Si Marky na lang sana pupunta pero ako, I'll just close the bird cage and tara. So yun, sa Woolies pala tayo nakabili. Hindi ko na kayo na-update kanina. I'm looking for the box.
And I will do single packets.
I got 3.
How come you got 3?
Different flavor.
Oh. Girls love you.
It's my treat. I'll return your $2.50, malab.
I gave you $5.
Huh?
I gave you $5.
Okay. 5?
Yes.
Count that. Okay, this is mine then. Well, it's the same. I spent $2.50. Oh yeah. So, yan yung gusto ng mga dalawang yun. Play tubes. Na-miss nila to kahapon. So, there's classic mix. There's tuna, chicken, and bonito. What's that? And then this one is chicken and liver. What's the flavor they had before? I didn't check the box.
Neither did I.
And then the tuna and crab. So, the last time we gave them was Friday.
It was.
Before we went to Melbourne.
And they've been meowing every...
I know, last night they're looking like, if you're gonna do some plastic thingy like that, they're gonna be like, oh, food, oh, treat. That's why we really need to give them this one. They're being a good girls. They didn't puke, no?
No.
No. Good job. 4:59 na ng hapon. My gosh, it's late again, my love.
I know, my love. We'll relax tonight.
Galing tayo ng Aldi kanina. I-haul ko lang yung mga pinamili natin sa Aldi. Merong chips. Ilang chips kinuha mo lang kayo? Ilang dati naman. 4 na 4 chips. Pang ano kasi namin to. Pag yung gusto mo lang ng chips. Easy, comfort food. So mga to kasi gagawa tayo ng guacamole. And then, Marky got peanut butter. Oh, I bought you licorice one. Licorice for Marky. Ilagay atangan na nila kayo. Party mix. Tapos meron siyang salsa dip. Ito, hinahalo ni Marky sa kanyang nachos. Apat na ganyan. And then, 3 refried beans. Nilalagay niya rin yan sa kanyang nachos. And then, brown sugar. Tapos meron siyang nakita from Stone Mill. Crushed onion, garlic, and chili. 3-in-1. Tapos ito din. Garlic, ginger, and shallots. Favorite ni Marky mga herbs. Oh, that's my phone. I drop it. And then, Fabcon. And then, kumuha din siya ng isa niya. Yun lang ang ating haul. And then, yung treats ng mga girls, pinakita ko na yung kanina. So, sa Aldi, we spent 62.06. No, 62.37. Yan ang ating grocery. And then, I'm gonna cook our dinner. Luto ako ng chicken karage. Nag-request si Marky. Tapos, meron pa yung pasta sauce natin, yung carbonara sauce. So, yun ang ating dinner. So, yan na yung ating chicken karage. Minamarinate ko lang siya. May patis na yan. Garlic. Garlic powder, chicken powder. So, nilagyan natin ng ganyan. Garlic and herb. So, yan. Before tayo kumain, inom na tayo ng Chef Wapo. Gawa tayo ng pagdidipan nito and then fry na tayo. Prepare ko lang. So, dito sa ating butter, gumamit tayo ng corn flour, crispy fry, and ito. Try na natin i-prito. So, yan yung chicken na hindi naka-coat sa egg. And then, magka-try ako ng i-coat natin sa egg kung anong mas maganda. So, yung egg natin. Mahal! This is the one without egg. I didn't coat it with the egg. You wanna try?
You're going to hit, yes, but most of the well will go to heating factories. If they like it or not. Because for the next 5 years, when they shut your well down, this well will be in our hands for 5 years.
Sabi?
You've got to sort your act out.
Sabi?
So how come you didn't do that egg?
I'm trying. I coat some with egg and then let's see what's gonna happen. Alright? Yan na yung chicken natin na kinote ko sa itlog. So, chicken breast pala yung ginamit ko dyan. And this is the one with chicken, with egg. Okay? Mas malambot. Yum, yum, yum. Tignan niyo tong dalawa. Super excited nila sa kanilang treats. Yay! Can't wait? Yay! Kagabi pa naghihintay itong dalawang to. Woohoo! Look at me dyan. Oh no! Yay! That's different.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the mix. That's the tubes. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow! Gustong-gusto nila yan eh. Yung binili natin sa Woolies kanina. Nakauwi na kami and everything. Sabi ko kay Mahal, kalimutan natin bumili ng treat ng mga girls. Sabi niya, tara sa Bunnings. And then nag-search siya sa Woolies kasi may malapit na Woolies dito sa amin. So, nag-Woolies na lang. I got them 3 pieces. 3 packs. Hala! Spoiled little girls! So, that's our food. Pinainit ko na yung carbonara sauce namin. Ang gagawin namin ay magdidip ng bread.
How butter your bread? With crust or without crust?
Of course, with
Crust?
crust. Yeah.
With crust. You're gonna love it.
So, simpleng dinner for us. Mr. Ito yung sinadya namin na isa. Nakalimutan kong i-haul sa inyo. Bread. Multigrain bread. Yeah, para siyang chowder. Naging chowder thingy.
Religious sort of thing, and even if you're not religious, you sort of know that storylines. We're playing that out a little bit for you, so you can all understand. But you're all going to find out it's aliens at the last main event. Yeah? On the main event, the projection dome will disappear.
Happy Thursday! Wow, it's Thursday. 10 degrees dito sa ating car.
Traffic.
And look at the sky. Pag nag-overtake man nila kaya yun. Well, it's an overtake section. Shadows. Kaya tapos na yung work natin. Mga 2. And then nag-Uber tayo papunta dito sa plaza. So, hindi alam ni Marky na nag-Uber ako. Dito tayo sa Big W. For today ay late night shopping pero hindi tayo mag-stay dito ng matagal. Tingin lang ako ng black na jacket for work. Ang quiet ng plaza ngayon. So, may nabili ako sa Kmart noon na black. Parang ganito yung tela niya. Oh. Pero gusto ko sana yung whole ang zipper niya. Mas madali suot sa work. Nahanap ko na yung gusto ko. Parang ganito rin yung nasa Kmart. Perfect yung tela. Nakita kong boots dito. Ang ganda niyo. Try ko yung size 8. Ako po. Ito yung style niya. $45. Ano ba? Yeah, 45. Dito tayo sa mga blanket area. This is for king and queen size. Kailangan natin to kasi taglamig. Mahal daw. $59 daw. Nandito tayo sa Priceline at the moment. Mauubusan na ako ng kapaw. So, kumuha tayo ng tube. Tube. Tingin tayo ng mga tube. Ang cute nito. Yan. Bakit tinuturo ko yung yung ring? $399. Yan ang pintas. Ayan, shadows na dito. Kumuha ako ng sushi. And so, kumuha tayo ng style. Ayan, nasundo na ako ni Marky. Nandito kami sa Bunnings ngayon. Bili ng pagkain ng mga pusa. Diba kahapon nag-rush tayo sa Woolies? Yung treats pala. That's it. Are you gonna buy?
It's a great try.
Din na. Gumawa ako ng guacamole and then yung bread na binili natin kahapon.
Nachos. No, I've got my nachos.
Ah. 7:49 and that's our second delivery. Merong Donut International Day ang hotel. So yeah, we got Oreo. Donut International Day! May paganon pala, no? Hindi ko alam. So, it's an International Donut Day. Yeah, they gave us donut. Dun, 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 dun. And I didn't eat it because I'm gonna share it with my hubby.
Why didn't you eat it?
Oh, okay. You want me to eat it? I'm thinking of you, mate. Oh my gosh, you didn't even appreciate it.
Why didn't you eat it?
Ay! Ha? Just one per, why did you get two? Kuna na pa ilaan. Nagdemand dun. You want it or no?
Yeah! It's International Donut Day.
Are you happy that I'm sharing it with you?
Oh, I'm so happy!
Yum. Yum. But there's jam inside. We didn't know that there's like that International Donut Day. Cheers! Happy International Donut Day, guys!
I know.
Because yesterday when I'm in the shop, I'm planning to buy Brooklyn, but my husband said no. It's so expensive. Nasundo na tayo ni Mama. Time check, 3:27. Uwi na tayo. It's a long day for us. What a bump. Ito yung bago nilang ginawa, oh. Sakit sa ano. Yummy. Ayan lang, kainin lang namin ang aming donuts. May konting nadala. Sumagat ako, binigay ko sa kanya. What's yours, kako? No! Kunwari ka pa, gusto mo naman yan.
You have one more bite.
I'm good, baby. Thank you so much. That's yummy. May ano din kasi sa loob, custard filling. Tignan nyo pala dyan, may mga bahay nang ipapatayo dyan soon. I know. That's where the kangaroos are. Soon, magiging bahay na naman yan. Oh my gosh. So many houses. Nag-uwi rin pala tayo ng Portuguese tart. Ito is tira sa function kanina. So, why not? Kaysa itapon nila, di ba? Ayan, nagprito ulit tayo ng karaage chicken and meron tayong bread dyan. Nilagyan ko ng butter, may garlic aioli and nagkat tayo ng lettuce. It's the chicken. Oh boy! It's yummy. Ang sarap.
His most trusted found him and starts fucking ringing.
Chicken karaage sandwich.
Attacking him with Welsh and giving him the message, selling him out and everything, yeah? This is what happened. This is what happened there, yeah? What happened was, yeah? When they broke this down, yeah?
Kaniya po Diyos, di nagayat ka na tayo, awat di Iso, sinagapan na ipapay tapno sa aming tuwa sa kaparan, di na yung ipapatan. Iti kinapudlo na kiniyak na ngay sulaan pimatay, tapno di agresat.
So, kausap natin si mama kanina kasi ngayon na yung libing ni nanay and nag-out si papa kaagad kasi hindi niya din paano. Para tayong nakapunan ngayon. Ni Marky sa gateway kasi magko-close sila ng 12 kaya humabol kami. Nagpatayo ako ngayon sa atin. Mandarin, free lang siya. Free. Tapos may free na naman doon na orange. Ayan, nakalis na tayo ng gateway. We spent $88. Pakita ko sa inyo later on. Katabi nitong gateway, ito bago lang to. First time namin pupuntahan. Ayan, pauwi na tayo. Kainin natin itong ano. So, kumakain na ako kanina ng puntahan natin yung fence na ginawa ni Marky dito sa Little Mountain. Ito rin sa Caloundra. It's the fence of Daddy Marky.
I'll do a Yui and I'll go.
So that's what you're gonna put like that?
No, we're going to put it like that.
Oh. Oh, this is different.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the fence. Oh, yan. It's the new fence. So that's your job on Monday again.
Yeah.
Nilapit niya pala yung car. Ayan.
All the posts were set.
Yeah.
And then,
It's long.
I know.
Yan yung trinabaho niya nung isang araw kaya siya late. Nag-overtime siya.
So we started putting the rails up. So we had to cut all the tops.
Is it all cut?
Yeah, it's all cut.
It's clean.
Sorry.
It's clean. So it's timber.
Hardwood.
I mean the one that you're gonna put timber.
It's hardwood.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
so that's
For long.
pine over there.
Yeah.
So it's the same colour as the hardwood palings are the same as this colour.
Good job. Correct. My husband is a tradie. He can do our fence at home as well. Dahil gusto akong libangin ni Mahal para hindi ako malungkot sa nangyayari today. Dito tayo sa recycle market. So nakapunta na kami dati dito with Amanda. Madami kang makikita mga plates, mga cabinets, mga talagang napaglumaan ng ibang tao. Magandang brand, Maxwell Williams. Uy, parang maganda yan. Kano kaya ito? Walang price. Maan tayo ng IGA. Namili si Marky ng popcorn kasi magmo-movie daw tonight. Smells good. Fresh, baby?
Fresh.
Yum.
The 6th.
Snip it. Gosh. So, ito yung nakuha natin sa may butcha. QP mayonnaise kasi naubusan tayo. Kumuha ko ng pork. Tapos dumaan din si Marky ng IGA. Nakabili siya ng ito. Kung binili niya sa IGA, crumpet and cheese. Tapos sa Gateway naman, may mga free bread. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tinago na niya yung iba. Meron siyang garlic bread tas dalawang spaghetti sauce. Then meron tayo ditong nakuhang, my gosh love, free mandarins and they're still okay. Free mandarins, isang ganitong box yung nakuha namin kasi hindi na pwede ng super dami. And then, what's the other box that you got? Oh no, that's it. We have We have coconut water. $30, 24 pieces. 24 bottles. Ano ito? Pala yung garlic niya. Nandito pala sa taas. Kumuha siya ng kanyang garlic baguette. Tapos, ito, $10 each supposed to be. Pero kung kukuha ka ng apat, 4.30 na lang siya. Ayan. So, we got 4. 1, 2, 3. And 4. Ayun lang naman ang ating pinamili for today. Oh, may mga damit pa pala. So, I got this one. I think this is $3. Beach topper. Beach cover up. Kapag sa Gateway kasi nag-sale sila. So, how many pair of socks you got? 3? Oh, where's the other one? 3 pairs na socks. Tapos, kumuha din tayo ng ating pang-workout na top. Wala pa ata akong black eh. So, meron tayo yan. Ito. Size large. Para comfortable lang siya. And another large size but in this color. Anong color to? I don't know what color is this. Blue-green. And then shorts. Comfortable shorts. Pang walking, pang running. And another shorts for Daddy Marky. Sabi ko sa kanya, paano ko malalaman kung kasya sa akin or hindi? Ano mo sa loob mo ako? Kapag anuhan sila sa likod, kasya sa'yo. Large. Magkakaiba kasi ang mga sizes dito. So, yun lang ang ating nabili for today's video. Ang na-spend natin sa Gateway is $88. And then, where's the other receipt? Sa butcher is $29.15. Yun lang. Nawala yung live sa living ni Nana. Hindi na natin mapanood. Pero nakakuha ako ng konting clips kanina. So, yun, yeah, shadows. Living ni Nana ngayon, June 6. Ay, nanay ko. Ang hirap explain ang nararamdaman